The customer manufactured corn blanks, and their issue wasn't with cleaning necessarily, it was with the timing to do the cleaning process. So they was going to increase their capacity, but they didn't have enough space for new equipment, so they had to cut down in their cleaning cycle. And the bottleneck in the cleaning cycle was the burnishing part. This right here is a tarnished corn blank that the customer manufactured. So after the cleaning process and the burnishing, this is what the corn looks like, nice and shiny. I was able to visit their facility to do some initial testing in their lab. So I ended up testing 3 different products and optimizing that process, which we found that Copper Bright and Laser Guard would be the best pairing product. The next day I came back and we were able to run trials on the production lines. And so they set all the parameters that we figured out the day before from the lab testing. So with all the changes that we made, we were able to reduce their cycle time from 17 minutes to 12 minutes. In their initial process, they had 14 steps, and now they're at 8 steps. And the operators were just amazed at how great the product looked and all the time that they were saving. The great part of working with Herbert Hall is that we have a ton of experience in pre-treatment cleaning. So we can go in and help customers who don't have a chemist on staff or engineer on staff. We're there to help you guys out, and that is why they hired me.